today we are going to be taking our first train here in India.
Anything from the trolley?
I'll take the lot.
So the conductor gave us these two little packages.
We are going from Delhi to Agra and we are on the first class AC for $15. Let's see where the journey takes us. Before we head to catch our train, if you are needing to send money from abroad to India, whether it be direct to a bank account or to an e-wallet in a fast, easy and secure way, PaySend is the answer. We tried booking our hotel in Agra last night, however their website did not accept our bank cards, meaning our booking was not secured and we needed to find a solution. I just entered the account details of the hotel into my PaySend account and they received the money in a matter of moments, meaning our booking is now secured. Traditional banking is often slow and costly with high fees, but since using PaySend, converting currencies while traveling has never been easier. They have global coverage, so you can send money to 170 countries worldwide. They have instant processing, as well as being certified by MasterCard and Visa for extra peace of mind. And if you use code ZOEZARFREE, not only do you get a better exchange rate, but you also get your first 3 transfers completely free. That's right, free. Anyway, we've got a train to catch. Let's go.
Alright, so we are now leaving New Delhi and we are on our way to the railway station to go to Agra. So we literally just booked a taxi from Uber and it's costing us about 140 rupees to get there, but we're not getting the train from New Delhi. It's something, it's NCM, that's what it's called. I'll put the location on the screen. But anyway, we're gonna try our first experience on a train here in India. I can't wait. It's currently 1:30. It takes 30 minutes to get there. So we get there around 2, but our train leaves at 3.
1 hour later.
Alright, so we found a train. I'm sweating because it's all stairs. There's no lift or whatsoever. But at least we found a train. We just need to find the first class is what we booked. I'm so sweaty. Alright, so we managed to find our platform. We are at platform 8. I've never sweated so much in my entire life. Oh my god, it's so hot. Our train's not here yet, we're still waiting for it, but at least we can now relax and wait for a train.
Welcome. Honestly, I'm so hot right now, so it's so nice to be in here. We've been stood on the platform for about an hour and it is so hot. So to come in here and have this aircon is such a relief. So I think there's a potential that some more people might be coming, not sure, but I think we might have it to ourselves. But we've basically, there's top bunks which are like beds, and then we've got these leather seats which are really big actually.
Oh my god, this is so nice. So it's quite chilly as well.
Yeah. Surprisingly, we are starting to move already. The train was due to depart at 3:10 and it's exactly 3:10. And all the stories I've heard is that trains are always late in India and you never leave on time. But the train literally came with like 5 minutes to spare. Everyone's jumped on and 5 minutes later we're on the move. So to me, that's pretty good timing.
It's good timing.
That's exceeded my expectations.
And we were so worried because we just finished a food tour. So if you haven't watched that, I'll put the link down below. But we thought we were going to miss this train.
Yeah, we really had to rush.
Because the traffic was mad.
When we got here, honestly, we had no idea where to go.
We thought we were lost. We
really
were
lost. And then we found the train, we couldn't work out which train. Some people told us this was our train, other people told us it wasn't our train. Really confusing.
So hopefully this is our train, to be honest.
Yeah, hopefully we end up in Agra.
Yeah, so we've got our own cabin. This is first class. I think there's 3 different classes. So no, 4 actually. There's a sleeper, there's a 3rd class, 2nd class, and then a 1st class.
Not bad at all, honestly. I'm not sure how many people this cabin would fit. I think 4 is the maximum, as there's 4 seat numbers in here, so yeah.
But anyway, the train station here in India is mental, guys. People literally jump on the rail to get on the other platform or to get on the other train. and because they got on the wrong platform. It's just all madness.
And also, like, they're all going onto the train tracks to like pick up litter and things like scavenging and things, and that just blows my mind, because in the UK, if you get on the rail tracks, like, you're either arrested, like there's no other reason someone would be on the train tracks in the UK. So it's really shocking to see, actually.
And like, while the train is moving, people are literally going out. They're literally jumping off, hanging out.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
crazy. Is that what you do? Do you have to? No, the train does stop, surely. When we're at our station.
Should be. But they probably give us like a 10-minute slot to leave the train. So we need to keep an eye on our whereabouts so that we won't miss Agra.
Welcome. The door's a bit stiff, but come in. Right, so we'll start at the door. You come in and you've actually got some steps. I think these are the steps for if you're on the top bunk. It's quite skinny though, mind. Like, it's quite tricky. Oh, not much room for your leg to bend and stretch. But once you're up, you're definitely gonna have to crawl. But that's all right, we're not up there and we don't need to sleep, so we're all good. Zara, can't see to get down. Okay, so we've got one on the other side as well, and there's blankets, pillows, and then we also got given these packs of sheets and a towel. Then we have got two very long, I want to say they're like sofas either side, but I think maybe if you're on this train for longer, I think this might pull down into a lower bed as well, but I'm not too sure. We've got some lights. Is that a light? I
Turn it
want
on,
to press the button
press
and
it.
then.
Oh no, it's not
Well,
working.
it doesn't work. We've got some curtains, got a table, got a bin, got a mirror. I think this is for like a small bag or luggage. Got some more like lights and plugs and switches. There's even one with the bell on. Do you think the attendant comes if you call that? Not
Press
too
it.
sure. No, I don't want to bother him.
And you got aircon as well, guys. The aircon is literally so
Aircon
nice.
is perfect. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. It's honestly perfect. And then yeah, we've got curtains and we've got a lock on the door. So I think actually this is pretty good, and I think it's even better because we've got the whole cabin to ourselves. So I actually think that's pretty good value for money for £12, guys. And I think this is a 2-hour journey, and we're on the Gondwana Express. So to book this train, we registered with the IRTC. Now you can actually book direct on that website once you have registered. However, it is quite complicated and it was not working for Zara and I. So what we did was, once we registered, we hopped on over to a website called Ease My Trip. Now, in order to use Ease My Trip, you do need to already have registered with IRTC, which we had done. And then on Ease My Trip, it was so easy. It's kind of like connected, and the minute that we booked through Ease My Trip, we actually did get an email confirmation from IRTC because they kind of work together. So if you're struggling to book on IRTC, definitely check out Ease My Trip. If you register for your IRTC internationally, it will cost you a small fee. It's something like £1 or $1.50, not very much at all. But if you register when you're here in India and you've got your Indian phone number, you don't have to pay a fee at all.
Alright, so I'm gonna go and find a toilet. I'm not sure where it is. Let's have a look. So they got two types of toilets. One Western style, which is just a normal one. So you got your toilet seat there, then you got your sink, and then yeah, it's not a squatting one, but it's absolutely boiling in here. What the hell? And let me show you the other one. And this is the other one. Oh, so hot. So you got your squatting toilet. There we go. Mirror there. You literally like just squat down. Oh. It's good that they got two variety of toilets, because not everyone prefers the squatting toilet. So it's quite good that they can also got just two. Yes. Three? Just two. Sorry? Agra. Yes. Yes. Oh, heavy. Heavy dore. Yeah, all good. Shukriya. So the conductor gave us these 2 little packages. Let's open one.
Oh.
See what it is. All right, so I think we've got some towels, some blankets. We've got 2 blankets.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? And I think from what I've heard, apparently there's showers here.
No.
Yes, apparently. That's what I heard.
Are you going to have a shower?
No. Even if I'm sweaty, I can wait 2 hours. It's all good. Some people, they go all the way to Kerala and it takes hours and hours, like 8 hours whatsoever. Yeah, all good. All good? Shukriya, shukriya. Okay, so I also bought lunch, which was 130 rupees. We only got one because Zoe's not that hungry, and I just want to try the Indian train food. And so what you've got here, you got your rice, you got some cucumbers, different type of curries, and you also get a naan. So this is vegetarian. Oh, there's some chickpeas in this first one, but
So Sar has made a little bed for himself. Comfort out of 10?
it's actually quite comfy.
Yeah?
Yeah. It just feels amazing just laying down, just stretching everything.
It's alright for some because I don't know if any of you can relate, but I get really worried on journeys that we're going to miss our stop, so I just can't sleep. And people like him, Zar over there, he just takes that opportunity as, oh, I can fall asleep, Zoe will stay awake. I think we're halfway there already, honestly. According to the map, we look like we're halfway, but that's gone really quick. It's only been like 40 minutes. But yeah. So scrap what I said about the trains being on time, because we were due to arrive in Agra at 5:25 and it's currently 6:10 and we're still not there. For some reason the train was going pretty fast, and then we suddenly got to maybe halfway and suddenly the train just got so slow and we had to keep stopping in the middle of the railway, and I'm guessing it was to let other trains go past, because we'd stop for about 10 minutes, a train would go past and then we'd start again. So we are coming into Agra now by the map, but we are literally going at like 2 miles per hour. Like, I think I could probably walk faster than what we're actually going. But Zara and I have started feeling a little bit unwell. I don't think we're like ill. I think we've just done too much today, and I think we're just tired. It was really hot, so I think we're a bit dehydrated and stuff. So we could really do with getting to Agra and getting to our hotel so we could sleep. Overall, the train has been quite comfortable. Like, these pillows are actually really comfy, but it does get so cold, like freezing cold. So I had to put my jumper on. But overall experience, it exceeded my expectations, I'd say.
It's actually quite straightforward after you've found out what platform you're in and what train you are getting on. And when you're on the train, everything's just done. You can literally just relax and let the train do its job, you know?
Every now and again you do get jolted forward, like quite aggressively, and I think it's like as the train moves line, I think here it does it quite vigorously, because you'll suddenly just be like boom forward, and all I can think is that it's changing different tracks. Oh, I think we're definitely at the station now, which is a huge hooray. Oh my gosh, there's literally people on the railway as we go and come in. Wow. Okay.
Alright, so when we got off the train, it literally started raining. It's so heavy as well. There's no roof, so all the rain, it's just open. Mental, but we're probably going to get our taxi now, so we'll meet you at the hotel.
Alright guys, so we stayed here in Agra for one night. We have just visited the Taj Mahal this morning, so make sure to watch out for that video.
We are staying here at the hostel, so we only stayed here for one night. We only came to Agra for one specific reason, and that is to see Taj Mahal.
Yes, so we are actually moving on today. However, we just want to quickly mention the train. So we kind of stopped videoing because it was just pouring down with rain, so we had to put the camera away. But to be honest, it was a really pleasant train ride, but it was very I don't know why it slowed down halfway.
It was very comfortable. The cabin that we were in, it was very nice.
We felt like we were in like the Harry Potter cabin.
Yes.
We did have some kind of like cabin attendant, although to be honest, he really didn't do much. We saw him maybe once the entire trip, and then he came in at the end and suddenly asked for a tip, and we were like,
we haven't seen you
we
before.
haven't seen you. Like, and we were we didn't actually have any change, so we just said to him, I'm really sorry, we don't have any change. We only had big notes, so yeah, be ready for that. I don't know whether you do or don't tip, so let us know if that is a thing to tip your conductor person. I feel like if they do a lot, then that's necessary, but I'm not sure. But yeah, overall good experience, and we are excited to try different trains here in India. We are actually about to go and jump on another train, which is going to be a third class AC experience, so I'm a little bit nervous about this one.
So really, we're not going to get our own cabin on that one, but make sure to keep an eye on that video as well, as we are on our way to Jaipur.
Yes. I definitely think for $15 that the cabin is actually worth it. That was good for $15.
And first class train for $15. What more can you ask for?
Yeah, exactly. So,
but anyway, we're gonna end the video here, so make sure to like,
share,
subscribe,
leave a comment down below,
leave that notification bell on,
and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.